In this video, I will show you a totally free method you can use to automatically make commissions promoting affiliate products on autopilot without a website or a big following. I will show you a step-by-step how to find a product, how to set up this bot, and at the end of this video, I'll show you some bonus tips to make even more commissions. If you're excited, smash that like button, comment "Let's go" to show others that you are ready and serious, and watch until the end to learn more about those bonus tips. First, we want to find a product to promote. Sign up for ClickBank or Digistore24.com. I actually prefer Digistore24 as they offer a little higher commission rates, and I promote a lot of products on here as well. Once you created an account, go to the marketplace at the top here, and then on the side you'll find all your categories. Go to the marketplace and search by popularity or by sales rank. Here you can see which are doing good, and then check the stars. Make sure they have at least 4 stars. And also check the cancellation rate to make sure that we are under 15%, the lower the better, of course. As a side note, I will link my favorite affiliate marketing course and free training series down below. If you're interested in learning more, check down below. So let's find a category that you want to promote. Let's do something new this time. We did this one last time. Check out my other videos where I show you how to promote this in a totally other free method. Let's do this one for this example, the Essential Keto Cooking Book. Click the promote button like this and save your link. Perfect. Next, we'll go to canva.com, sign up for free. Search up PDF. This will give you lots of templates to choose from, and we'll be picking up a free one. Here are all the templates. Make sure you don't pick one that has the crown or this little money icon, as those are for the premium or paid version. We'll use the free one, so let's look for a good free one we can use, free template we can use. Let's go with this one. Okay, now we'll go back to our sales page on Digistore and see what this product is about, and then we want to edit this page to make it fit our product that we are promoting. Change colors, change images if needed. Let's go back here. So this is an Essential Keto Cookbook. This is the physical version. Okay, Essential Cookbook. So we got 100 keto recipes. So we'll take that, put that in here. 100 keto recipes, including all of these things. Keto recipes. Perfect. We can remove this. And up here we'll go 100 plus keto recipes, usual cookbook. That looks good. Change some colors. A little darker so it pops. Then we want to add a page. Go to the text and add subheading. So we want to add a bunch of pages and make this a nice and simple PDF. Don't worry, you don't have to do any of the typing. Check out this great free tool called writer.me, YTR.me. Start typing. This is an amazing little tool so select your language, select blog section writing, add your topic, add some keywords for your product, whatever you're doing, and then just simply hit this write for me button. There we go. It'll come up for some text. We can wait, we can hit it one more time. Here we go. And this is some of the text that we can copy and use in our own PDF. We'll go back to the PDF, go in here, copy that in here. Awesome. We want to make sure it all fits in on one page. And we want to make room. We want to break this up here. Make font smaller. Copy paste your new content into pages of your PDF and add these links to your page. Just simply type clear recipes. Then we want to select this and hit this chain icon up here, link. Now we want to go back to Digistore, copy our link, read, and paste it right in here and hit enter. Boom. Now this is a clickable link. Now we will add more pages and add more text. And it doesn't have to be super long, but give it some value and give it some good info. Copy the next text. Add more pages, add more text, and keep adding these links every other page or so. And then once done, next we have to share this PDF. How can we best share this PDF with people even when we sleep? So let's first download a copy when we're all complete, and we'll actually download as a PDF standard. Then we will visit this website, slideshare.net. This is where people can upload their slides, their PDFs, their files for everyone to see. As you can see, some of these get some awesome views. Free views. We'll hit the upload button up here. Verify that we're human. Want to change this to 100 keto. We want to change this to essential keto diet plan. And that's it. As you can see, people will flip through these free slides, read yours, and if it's something that they are interested in, click your links and make a purchase, resulting in you making commissions. Be sure to check the training and the 3-day challenge below in the description to learn more about affiliate marketing and even better methods you can learn to make commissions online. Also, click the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new money-making videos I'll be posting. And check out my channel to see my other videos. If you got some value, hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.